Hello and welcome to the show. So in this episode we're gonna talk about one of the templates for BotTalk that we built for you in order for you to jumpstart your development of Alexa skill or Google Action. And this one is called House Guest. And if you look at the description, what it does is actually tells you if you're a house guest, it tells you where stuff is actually located. What is the Wi-Fi password, for example? Well, how do you turn the air conditioner? How to lock the door and stuff like that. And there's a very good instruction in the README, but I'm gonna explain it anyway. So let's just go through it. You click on the house guest, and there are 3 files out there. The first one is called main YAML. You click right here, and you click on the row. And what you want to do is you want to go to BotTalk dashboard, create a new scenario called, for example, house guest template. It's going to be in English. Next, it's going to be an empty skill. Next, finish creation and launch. And then what you want to do is copy this raw text into the scenario. And then if there is no tests.yaml right here, you're gonna add it, but by the time we release this video we're gonna fix this actually in GitHub. And what you want to do is actually do the same thing for your intents. So let's copy the intents file as well, and then we go to the intents, and then we're gonna go to the slots file as well. So here's our slots file. We copy it and we're gonna go and paste it right here. So and we're gonna save it just to check that everything, and it's because it's gonna be, it should be tests, not the test. So save it, all content is saved, and let's just walk through this, right? So in the first step, what we do is we telling Alexa to say the following: welcome to our home. Are you looking for something? Just ask. For example, where is the TV remote, or how do I lock the door, or what is the number of hosts? And then we're gonna go ahead and send some cards as well in parallel to this text with the title of house guest and with the same kind of text but formatted so the user could see it on his Echo Show or in his Alexa app or Google Action. And then and then we're gonna wait for a user basically to say something, and there's 3 options that we are waiting for. The first is where is step. And if you go to intent and see what is where is, intent consists of the utterances, or what is thing to find, where is thing to find, not what is thing to find. Where is the thing to find, right? So if you go to thing to find slot, you could see that you could put like TV remote, Wi-Fi password and stuff like that. Just you can put whatever values you want right here. And if the user says where is something, like, then the where is tab is executed. So let's see in the where is tab. So in the where is tab, we basically try to find out what kind of thing is he looking for. So if thing to find, if the slot, right, is the thing to find, it was TV remote. If thing to find equals TV remote, then we're gonna say the TV remote is on the couch, blah blah blah. Else if thing to find was Wi-Fi password, then we're gonna pronounce the Wi-Fi password. And you can see how you basically can make this as long as you want. Just customize the slots and then customize the answers to where things are. Okay. The second one, what user might say is, how do I do something, right? And then if the user does how do I do something, then how do I is this intent, how do I think to do. And the slot thing to do is actually consists now of 2 things: lock the door or turn on the air conditioner. and we jump to the how do I step, and if thing to do equals lock the door, then we're gonna provide instructions how to lock the door. And if the thing to do equals to the turn on the air conditioner, then we provide instructions how to turn on the air conditioner logically. And as with the previous step, you can put as many things as you want right here and just check for them with this if else if conditions. And that's basically it, right? So there's one more thing right here is contact. So if the user says something like, how do I contact someone, contact information of the host, stuff like that, then the contact step is going to be executed, and someone is going to say the number of the host. So let's save it once again and just quickly test how it might sound like inside of the BotTalk.
Open house guest template.
Welcome to our home. Are you looking for something? Just ask. For example, where is TV remote? Or how do I lock the door? Or what is the number of the host?
Where is the TV remote?
The TV remote is on the couch right next to the dog. Is there anything else I can do for you?
How do I lock the door?
You can lock the door with the digital key using your mobile phone. Yes, we're very forward-thinking house. Is there anything else I can do for you?
How do I turn on the air conditioner?
To turn on the air conditioner, just use the remote on the wall. Is there anything else I can do for you?
So as you can see, the BotTalk generates this random walker test that will try all the different executions, all the different steps inside of your scenario. And it's pretty neat because it also says it right in the browser, so you don't have to deploy it. So as you can see, with a couple of copy and pastes, you basically created a very cool skill for you yourself to use at home, or just on the base of this template you could actually build some commercial skill. And yeah, so we are very excited for you to play around, try to customize these templates that we built for you. Just remember to go to github.com/BotTalk/templates and check those awesome templates that we built for you guys, and we are very excited to see what you guys will build. See you next time. Bye.